Please state your first name.
Aaron.
And what symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
Lower right back pain. We got rear-ended right before Thanksgiving, and I was sitting kind of how I am now, kind of leaning to my left and up. And when we got hit, I could just feel something go. So lower right back pain. Actually, really just general back pain, but specifically lower right back pain.
Okay. And what was the severity of your symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
Yeah. On average, I would say it was probably about a 3. But when I would bend down, it would like kind of twinge up on me. Mm-hmm. And at those moments when it was like, oh, that was probably like a 5 or a 6 sometimes. So
gotcha.
Yeah, it was just this overall general ache.
Okay. And how was your problem affecting your daily life?
Definitely had to change motions, especially when bending down. I noticed that sleeping was a little bit more difficult, and especially in workouts, I didn't have nearly the stamina that I normally would. Like I could typically run, 3 or 4 miles without any problem, but like after like mile 1, I was like, oh man, I can't even. So yeah. Just really just a lot of general fatigue kind of. So yeah.
And what services did you receive here at PPM?
So did chiropractic adjustments, did the shots, the knee
trigger point
injections. Thank you, I always forget that. And then some phenomenal physical therapy, some really good. They worked me pretty hard actually. So, but yeah.
Good. And what has your experience been like here?
It was great. I've been to chiropractic offices before where it's just, an adjustment, and then you go, and then the very next, you get in your car wrong, and it goes again. So, I really liked how it was chiropractic care plus the injections take care of like super specific areas, and then the PT to help strengthen, so that way you don't necessarily have to come back, or you don't get hurt just getting in your car or whatever. So, I liked how it all worked together. It was really cool.
Excellent. And how has your life now changed?
Yeah, back to normal, back to where it should be. Definitely, it was, I would say, so treatment lasted about a month, and even like week 2, I could tell I was probably back to like 95%, and then the last 2 weeks was getting just that 5% back. But back to normal movement, no pain. Sleeping is normal. Yeah, everything is normal.
Good.
So good. Yeah.
So would you recommend Palmetto to your friends and family?
Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Palmetto Medical. And let's do that again. Take 2. Absolutely. I would definitely recommend.
Thank you.
For sure.